So how do you know which kind of tile to choose for your project? The type of materials that you decide on is a crucial decision. For example, the most popular floor tile is porcelain tiles. This is because porcelain tiles are very durable under heavy foot traffic and they usually have non-slip finishes. Whereas glass tiles may not make a great choice for floor tiles because the edges could be sharp, which could cause injury, and glass tiles are usually slippery when wet. Hi, my name is Heather, and my husband Otto and I, we've written a home improvement book titled, What's Wrong with My Bathroom? In our new book, we give you the pros and cons of each type of tile and when and where each type is going to work best in your project. The website address is what'swrongwithmybathroom.com, where you can get a physical copy of the book or download an ebook version. And we also have a new forum there where you can ask us questions directly. We're ready to help.